My Korean friend told me that Mayak eggs means that eggs is so nice and when I have more like craving for drugs. Yes, no drugs involved, but these eggs are just so addictive. To start with, boil 6 eggs with salt and vinegar. Salt and vinegar help you to peel the eggs more easily. Boil the eggs for 6 minutes for runny yolk and 8 minutes for firm yolk. Once the eggs are boiled, soak them in an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Boil up the eggs for at least 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the marinade sauce. I made some garlic, spring onions, and chili peppers. I removed the core of the chilies and most of the seeds as I've lost my spice tolerance since I moved to Australia. Combine the spring onion, garlic and chilies and also sesame seeds. I also added some dried red chilies, then add some soy sauce, water and liquid sweetener. I use honey. To peel the eggs, gently tap the egg all around and lightly roll it with your palm to loosen the eggshell. Marinate the eggs with this sauce in the fridge for at least 4 to 6 hours. You'll know the eggs are ready once they turn brown in color. Mayak eggs will last in the fridge for 3 days. I ate it with rice and sometimes dried seaweed. It's so good. There you go.